Hi everyone, I'm Ron. Welcome to episode number 1 of the Power Platform Did You Know series. So like I said, Ron Chang, I am the product marketing manager for the Microsoft Power Platform here at Microsoft Canada. And today I have a special guest with me, Nelson.
Hey Ron, good to be here. My name is Nelson Lopes. I'm the Partner Technology Architect for Dynamics Customer Engagement, CRM, for Microsoft Canada.
Great. So guys, the session that we want to introduce you to today is called the Microsoft PowerApps Vision and Roadmap that was presented during the Microsoft Business Application Summit that happened in July. And one of the key things that really jumped out at me that Charles Lamana, who is the General Manager for Engineering for the Microsoft Power Apps, presented is this idea of how Power Apps can really help you unify all the data that's swirling around effectively in your organization and really create a great difference in how you run your business. So that was one of the things that Nelson really took away from that. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, Charles and Ryan, they're absolutely amazing in terms of painting the picture around Power Apps and common data service and why companies should take a serious look at it. It's an amazing video, and one of the things he talks about is how data is gold, right? So data is everywhere. Data is being produced by everything, like devices. It's coming from many different sources. It's only going to increase, right? It's only going to go up. And so the whole idea about this, if you watch the videos, he talks about how if you're able to bring the data into one single place, like the common data service, what you're able to do from there is get great insights and intelligence in terms of how your customers and your prospects really want to engage with you, how they're engaging with your company today. And then you can take that insights and you can redo some of your business processes and your customer engagement tools and systems. And from there, you gain a competitive advantage, right? That's the whole theory of it. It's an amazing video.
That's great. Thanks, Nelson. So guys, enjoy the session. We would love to hear from you, so please feel free to leave a comment associated to this post and what you think you liked, what you didn't like, what would you like to hear about. And until the next episode, enjoy. See you later.